Good day po mga bayang karerista. November 22, 2025, Saturday at Metro Turf Club. Start time at 3 p.m. Start na po tayo, race number 1. Numero 6, Greylark. Ito para po sa akin dito sa race number 1. Sosoloyin ko na po to. Nalalamangan ako dito sa kabayo na to kumpara sa mga nakalaban niya last run. Last run pala tinakbo ni Greylark kala Candy and Wine, Dream Girl, Kangkalo Queen. Medyo malalakas yung grupo na yun. Kaya tingin ko lamang po dito to. Pagkatapos nga po pala ng info ko dito, in-upload ko po yung last run ni Uno Magnifico, due date, and Super Pinay, ito Greylark, para magkaroon po kayo ng idea kung susuluhin niyo po ba si Greylark o magpo-protection pa kayo. Kaya po sa race number 1, tong numero 6, Greylark, para po sa akin, susuluhin ko na po.
Guys, and they're open now, raising out. Keen Eyes draws for the leader. Moving up now in the middle is Hey Mark. And as they settle now, Hey Mark takes up the running leads by some two. Followed by Golden Angela in second round outside Uno Magnifico. 4 lengths for the back now in 14 Eyes, then followed by Ocean 11. Then long way back Angels Momentum. About a pass half mile now, the still Hey Mark. Here comes the top favorite. Uno Magnifico na by the outside, then a length back to Golden Angela. And as they raise the last 600 now, it is still Hey Mark leads by half a length, being chased by Uno Magnifico. 4 lengths for the back is Golden Angela, then followed by Keen Eyes. Then next in line is Angels Momentum, and as they turn for home now, it is still Hey Mark back to 2 lengths leader, followed by Uno Magnifico from the outside. And down the stretch they go. It is still Hey Mark. Here comes Uno Magnifico. 1 second on the outside. And Golden Angela. But it's still Hey Mark racing on the outside. Moving up Uno Magnifico. And at the line's going to be Hey Mark. An upset from the top favorite. That's Uno Magnifico. Keen Eyes. Golden Angela. Ocean 11 and Angels Momentum.
And there you have it, racing fans. Once again, early upset here in race number 1 for our second favorite, number 2, Hey Mark, with jockey J.D. Huco crossing the wire first over the outstanding favorite, Uno Magnifico. And that's 2, 3, 6, 1, 4, and 5, our unofficial order of arrival.
Thereof, early the second by Black Eagle for the outside due date. But it's still Black Eagle racing on the outside. And moving up now is due date, and Black Eagle. Towards up mile now, it's still due date, leads by head over Black Eagle, who's racing on the outside. And as they round the last 600 now, Black Eagle regains the lead over due date. It's Black Eagle and due date, and as they round a far turn, still Black Eagle racing on the outside, leads by a length over due date. Inside the last 300 now, it is still Black Eagle, leads by some 4 to 5 lengths now over due date. Down to the finish, it is still Black Eagle, leads by some 4 lengths over due date in second. Last 100, still Black Eagle, due date.
Racing as they battle for the club. Don Juan de Manila Derby, we are victorious. Babylin break quickly at the start, rushing up now at the outside. Then passing by the judge stand for the first time. We are victorious Babylon. And on the outside is a Glorify. Then 2 lengths further back in third comes Kankalu Queen. And going along for the first turn, we are victorious Babylon. Moving up on the outside is a Glorify. Then 2 lengths back in third comes Kankalu Queen. Running by the rail now is Candy and Wine alongside. Now moving up on the outside is a Rumored. In the middle portion is a Generative. Down the back stretch they travel, we are victorious Babylon enjoying a length lead. Then moving up now on the outside is a Glorify. Then here comes Kankalu Queen. Now moving up on the outside, rushing up is a Rumored. Down on the inside now is a Candy and Wine. Inside a Tres Octavo, bunch of entries now padding out for the lead. Moving up now on the outside is a Kankalu Queen. And now says it's my turn to take the lead. Then moving up now on the outside is a Dream Girl. Blue Mind Theory Light twice close again. Rumored, victorious Babylon, Generative. Then followed now by Candy and Wine. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have gone Kankalu Queen by our length and a half. And on the outside second is a Dream Girl. Then here comes Candy and Wine moving up down on the inside. Generative is on the outside. And down the stretch they come. We have Candy and Wine. Kankalu Queen is on the outside, but it's still Candy and Wine second. Dream Girl then comes to Generative, Kankalu Queen.
And there's an upset for race number 8. Runner number 1, Candy and Wine, with J.A. Pastoral crossing the wire first here in race. And now let's go ahead and watch the instant replay by Carista.
Darrell. Early leader is second by Jack 14. Moving up now by the outside is Storm Landing. And as they leave the chute now, it is still Jack 14. Lee's Malang coming up, followed by Storm Landing. Moving up now, Grey Lark. Around the outside now is Shade Green, then followed over by Lady Sabine. But it's still Jack 14. Lee's Malang coming up, followed now by Grey Lark. Around the outside, Storm Landing, then followed by Shade Green. And as they round the line, 600 now, Jack 14 still in front. And moving up, Storm Landing now by the outside. In between horses is Grey Lark, but it's still Jack 14 with 3 lengths lead now, followed by Grey Lark. And running in third now is Lady Sabine. Radio outside, Storm Landing and Shade Green. And 300 to go. It is still Jack 14. Lee's Malang. Here comes Grey Lark. Nobody outside, Storm Landing. And Lady Sabine down to the finish now. It is still Jack 14 leads by some 4 lengths now, followed by Storm Landing, Grey Lark, Shade Green, moving up, Lady Sabina. But it's still Jack 14 and rushing up now by the outside, Storm Landing, and finally Storm Landing. Close, Grey Lark, Jack 14, then followed by Super Pinay, 5, Lady Sabina.
And that's it, racing fans, for our opening race. What an upset by Carista, Storm.
Sa race number 2 na po tayo. Pampremera ko dito, numero 5, Lady Secret. Eto si Lady Secret, bigyan lang ng importansya ng may-ari ito. Tingin ko, malaki tsansa nitong manalo dito. Tingnan nyo po yung benta nito. Pag ito nalyamado at bumenta ng malayo, tingin ko baka pwedeng solohin to, itong numero 5, Lady Secret, kasi lamang po sa laban to pag nalyamado to. Second choice ko na rin po yung numero 2, Amaranth, yung galing sa panalo kaso dun sa PJC. Tingin ko mas mahusay ito sa PJC kaysa sa MMTCI, kaya ginawa ko lang second choice. Kaya po sa race number 2, pampremera ko po numero 5, Lady Secret. Second choice ko po yung numero 2, Amaranth. Sa race number 3 na po tayo. Dito sa race number 3, pag may mga kursonada pa kayo, dagdag nyo lang po. Medyo magulo kasi itong race number 3 na to. Sa race number 3, tingin ko may mga mabibilis dito sila. Live Like an Angel, Sneaky Eye, Hang Loose. Kaya tingin ko baka maghabulan itong mga to. O kaya magbigayan sa unan. Kaya pang-primera ko yung numero 7, yung di banderang kabayo, hang loose. Tingin ko ito mauuna dito. Pag ito hindi kaagad dinabol ni Sneaky ay sa unahan at ni Live Like an Angel, at tingin ko malaki chance na ito makatapos ng karera. Dahil mababa na sa laban to numero 7 hang loose. Second choice ko po yung numero 5, Equitem. Ito sakali namang maghabulan yung tatlo at pilitin nilang habulin si hang loose sa unahan. Tingin ko dito papabor sa numero 5, Equitem na galing sa panalo. Pati yung numero 2 na pantersero ko, pwede rin rumimate rito tong Snow White. Makikinabang pag sakali talaga maghabulan yung tatlo sa unahan yung mabibilis. Tingin ko may itong mga papabor yung numero 5 Equitem saka yung numero 2 Snow White. Kaya po sa race number 3, pang-primera ko po numero 7 hang loose. Second choice ko po yung numero 5 Equitem. Third choice ko po yung numero 2 Snow White. Sa race number 4 na po tayo. Pang-primera ko po dito yung numero 9 Straight Shooter. Ito si Straight Shooter, maganda na position niya ngayon, nasa labas. Last run nito nasa numero 1, pero maganda naman sinalidan niya ron, kaso hindi lang talaga binigyan ng importansya ng may-ari yun. Tingin ko kahit nandito si My Boy Lollipop, tingin ko pag eto laban, tingin ko hindi mauuna si My Boy Lollipop dito. Kasi mabilis to straight shooter na to. Kung hindi man mauna, pwede rin naman isabay lang din to kay My Boy Lollipop. Tingin ko malaki chance na neto manalo dito, basta bigyan lang ng importansya ng may-ari. Last run to pumang-apat. Pinarimate, hindi naman dirimate ito, di bandera tong kabayo na to. Kaya tingin ko, bigyan lang ng importansya to, malaki chance na ito manalo. Ito numero 9 straight shooter. Second choice ko na rin po yung numero 1 Jubilum. Ito si Jubilum, nahanapan lang ng grupo to. Tingin ko pag ito bumenta, tingin ko baka ilaban na may-ari. Bigyan lang din ng importansya to, tingin ko may panalo po din dito to, itong numero 1 Jubilum. Third choice ko po yung couple entry numero 8, yung Confidence Game, saka 8A Baba Boom. Itong couple entry na to pares may panalo to. Lalo na yung 8A niya si Baba Boom. Cambio Jinete, PM Caballero. Baka maganda itakbo. Tingin ko may panalo rin po dito to. Kaya po sa race number 4, pang-primera ko po numero 9, Straight Shooter. Second choice ko po numero 1, Jubilum. Third choice ko po yung couple entry numero 8, Confidence Game, 8A Baba Boom. Sa race number 5 na po tayo. Pang-primera ko dito yung imported na kabayo. Numero 7, Geo Bells Glory. Ito si Geo Bells Glory, Cambio Jinete, binigay na kay J.A. Guse. Pag ito nauna at walang humabol sa unahan, tingin ko malaki chance nito makatapos ng karera. Itong numero 7, Geo Bells Glory. Tingin ko mag-uumento to dahil J.A. Guse pa ito ngayon. Second choice ko po yung imported din yung numero 9, Graceful Gift. Ito si Graceful Gift, bigyan lang na importansya na may-ari to. Tingin ko may panalo din dito to kasi mababa na rin sa laban to. Third choice ko po yung numero G, Sing a New Song. Ito si Sing a New Song, umintado ngayon tong kabayo na to. Tingin ko may panalo rin po dito to. Itong numero G, Sing a New Song. Kaya po sa race number 5, pang-primera ko po, numero 7, Geo Bells Glory. Second choice ko po, numero 9, Graceful Gift. Third choice ko po, numero G, Sing a New Song. Sa race number 6 na po tayo. Ito sa mga nagtitipid at kulang sa puhunan. Pwedeng soloin to numero 2, Guerrero Warriors. Ito bigyan lang na importansya na may-ari to. Tingin ko patok dito to kasi napakababa sa laban ni Guerrero Warriors dito. Pag eto na una at hindi hinabol nila, sabi ko na tenacity ito. Tingin ko malaki chance na ito makatapos ng karera. Itong numero 2 Guerrero Warriors dahil nga di bandera to at mababa na rin sa laban talaga. Pang-protection ko po yung numero 3, sabi ko na sakaling hindi maganda itakbo ni Guerrero Warriors at hindi bigyan importansya. Ito pwedeng pang-protection numero 3, sabi ko na. Bigyan lang din to ng importansya na may-ari. Tingin ko may panalo rin dito. Pwedeng umapshoot kay Guerrero Warriors. Tapos cambio pa yung Jinete, RC Tabor, tingin ko baka maganda itakbo. Kaya po sa race number 6, pang-primera ko po, numero 2, Guerrero Warriors. Second choice ko po, numero 3, sabi ko na. Sa last race na po tayo, bago nga pala ako magbigay ng info ko sa last race, makikiusap po ulit po sana ako sa inyo na sana po mag-subscribe po kayo sa YouTube channel ko. At pakitap na rin po yung notification bell para updated kayo tuwing mag-upload ako ng mga infos at videos ko po dito. Arnel Racing Tips, maraming salamat po. Sa last race na po tayo. Dito sa last race, pag may mga kursonada kayong dihado, dagdag nyo lang po. Medyo magulo talaga tong last race na to. Lalo na't paratingan patapos grupong bulok. Pampremera ko dito, numero 9, bara yung 9A, iikot lang ito mababa na sa laban. Yun nga lang hindi ganun kaano yung mga takbo na itong Copoledro na to. Pero dahil mababa sa laban, tingin ko may panalo po dito to. Second choice ko po yung numero 5, Baling Rikit. Tapos third choice ko po, numero 6, Victorious Passion. Yun lang po, and good luck and happy racing po mga bayang karerista. Pagkatapos na ito yung mga pa-shoutout nyo po. Shoutout po sa inyo, Sir Alfonso Jurado Jr. na magbe-birthday sa Sunday sa November 23. Sir Alfonso, happy birthday po at more birthdays to come. Shoutout po sa inyo, Sir Allen Gatan ng Bulacan. Shoutout po sa inyo dyan, Sir Allen Gatan ng Bulacan at maraming salamat po. May pa-shoutout po si Sir Manuel Tandes. Pinapa-shoutout niyo yung pinsan niyang si Boyet Flores ng Santissima Street, Balik-Balik, Sampaloc, Manila. Shoutout po sa inyo Sir Boyet Flores at Sir Manuel Tandes at maraming salamat po. Shoutout po sa inyo Sir Antonio Pos. Sir Antonio Pos, shoutout po sa iyo at maraming salamat po. May pa-shoutout po si Sir Ramon Carpio. Pinapa-shoutout niya lagi yung kumpare niyang si Tirso Espiel. Sir Tirso Espiel at Sir Ramon Carpio, shoutout po sa inyong dalawa at maraming salamat po.